Hi guys, it's Lisa from Annapolis Valley Frugal Moms. I'm going to show you one of my favorite and very inexpensive dinners that I do make. So the items you'll need is a bread pan, some cheese, and this week cheese is on sale quite a bit due to Thanksgiving weekend. Some TVP from the bulk barn, some lasagna noodles, and some spaghetti sauce, or pasta sauce, whichever one you want to use. You'll also need a food processor or just a regular grater. So one of the things that I'm going to do first is you want to tin foil your bread pan. I'll explain later why you need to do that. It'll make sense later on today. So the first thing I do, this is what you call mile high lasagna. So it's got 16 layers in total. So you want to start with the bottom of your pan. And it's okay if you break your noodles. It's really okay. It'll all come out in the end. You want to start with a layer of your lasagna noodles. Depending on what lasagna noodles you're using, it will fill two side by side on the bottom. I don't cook my noodles beforehand because my sauce usually cooks it in the oven. So my sauce here again has the TVP and the pasta sauce. And you're going to layer that. You don't have to put a lot, just depending on how much you like for sauce. And then you're going to do a layer of cheese. Thank goodness for my food processor. It was very easy to make that.
My daddy.
So you do a layer of cheese. And another layer of noodles. What you want to do though is really push down as much as you can on those noodles so that you can get all 16 layers in on your pasta. Okay, and then you just continue. I don't use cottage cheese because my family and I don't really like cottage cheese. You can use onions, green peppers, garlic, whatever you want to add to your sauce. And then if you want to use cottage cheese, just alternate your shredded cheese with your cottage cheese as you're making it. The end product will look like this. So there's 16 layers in total. Now again, you gotta really push down your pasta noodles. Once you put it in the oven, you're gonna let it cook. Once it cooks, this is where the tin foil comes into play. Once it cooks, bring it out of the oven, let it sit for half an hour. After half an hour, you're gonna be able to take the tin foil on, take it off the bread pan, and pop it out. Then what you're gonna do is peel down the layers of your tin foil, and you'll be able to cut the perfect slice of lasagna. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Again, it's really inexpensive to make. Great to have a food processor to be able to shred your cheese. TVP, I paid about $1.90 for this entire bag, and I've already used quite a bit of it already. So there it is. Enjoy, guys.